last week's phrase of the week? All together.
Beth, bwyta, hoffi, bwyta.
Remember, you can use the phrases of the week, the Welsh phrases of the week, to earn token Cymraeg.
And the new phrase of the week is here. And what does it say?
Beth, bwyta, hoffi, bwyta.
And does anybody know what any of those words mean? Esme.
Bwyta is eating.
Charlie.
Beth is what?
Desire.
Hoffi is like.
Noah.
Teen is you.
Yeah, and what's that say all together?
What do you like to eat?
In English.
What
do you like to eat?
And now in Welsh.
Beth, bwyta, hoffi, bwyta.
And now say it in a robot. And say it in a robot voice.
Beth, bwyta, hoffi, bwyta.
Say it in an opera voice. Say it in a low voice.
Beth, bwyta, hoffi, bwyta.
Okay, so what about how we might answer it?
How would you answer that? Devin.
Dwi'n hoffi bwyta, and then what do you like to eat?
Bendigedig.
What do you like to eat?
Dwi'n hoffi bwyta sushi achos mae'n fantastic.
Love the way he used acos as well to extend.
Holly.
Beth, bwyta, hoffi, bwyta. Chocolate achos mae'n bendigedig.
Da iawn, but remember, dwi'n hoffi bwyta siocled. Da iawn.
Arianwen.
Dwi'n hoffi bwyta.
What's your favourite food?
You can say the food in English.
Pizza achos mae'n glasses.
Charlie.
Dwi'n hoffi bwyta pizza achos mae'n flasus iawn.
Okay, well done.